Okay, hello students, welcome back. So 5.2 question 10. Okay, we'll continue with coordinate geometry. What is the question? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment AB with A 2,7 and B -4, -8. Okay, क्या ढूंढना है? We have to find the coordinates of what? Of the points of trisection. Now, what do we mean by trisection? Okay, so let us try to understand that first. Okay, so suppose that here we have a line segment AB, okay, and coordinates of points of trisection of line segment AB. The question may be ours here. Read here. Coordinates of points of trisection of line segment AB. So what do we mean by that? That means that trisection means we will divide this into three equal parts. Trisection means three equal parts. So let me try to divide it into three equal parts. Okay. And suppose that this point is P and this one is Q. So this is what we mean by trisection. We are dividing it into three equal parts. Okay. What is the coordinate of A? वो तो दिया है हमको. It is 2,7. What is the coordinate of B? It is -4, -8. That is for B. We want to find out coordinates of P and Q. Okay, so that we have to find out. So how do we do that? Okay, so let me draw another simple diagram for you, so to help you understand. So suppose that this is again AB, and I now take only one of the points. I take only Q, suppose. And what we want to find out, we want to find out the coordinates of Q. So let me call that as, say, x comma y, that we have to find out. Okay, and this is given, that is 2 is to 2,7 and -4, -8. This is given. Now if I want to find out the coordinates of Q, okay, how will I find it out? I will use the section formula. If I use the section formula, what do I need? I need to find m and n. M is to n. Do I know that? No, I don't know that here. So कैसे करेंगे, right? Remember, if it is trisection, that means what? That means that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. That is trisection. If AP equal to PQ equal to QB, then if I ask you, can you tell me the ratio AQ is to QB for trisection case? So if I say that it is a trisection here, and so what will be the ratio AQ is to QB? It should be 2 is to 1. Okay, because it is a trisection, right? So AQ is to QB is nothing but M is to N, which is also 2 is to 1. So that solves our first part, right? Now you simply need to apply what? You need to apply the section formula. What is the section formula? X is what here? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So you know how to do that. So you just substitute the values as we did in the earlier questions, and you will get your answer, right? So x will come out to be, I'll not give the calculations here. I think you can do that. We have done it in earlier questions. So x should be I think it should be -2. Okay, should be -2. So let me just solve this one quickly for you. Others you can, remaining I think you can solve. So let me do this one for you. So tell me how much is m? M is 2. I will take this to be 1. तो कैसे हो जाएगा, जल्दी से बताओ. 2 इंटू क्या हो जाएगा, x2 तो क्या आ जाएगा, -4 प्लस n is how much, 1 into what, x1 क्या है, 2 अपॉन m plus n, तो 3 हो जाएगा. तो therefore x क्या आ जाएगा, -8 plus 2 upon 3. So therefore x will be what now, -6 upon 3. So therefore x कितना आ गया, -2 आ गया. तो ये पहला वैल्यू, we got it. Same way, if you apply the formula, you will get your y. Apply the formula for y. So y would be -2. You have to solve that. Okay. So what will be the value of point Q then? क्या आ जाएगा, what will we get for point Q? X comma y will be I gave y as wrong. Y would be -3. I'm sorry about that. So I just checked here. Y will be -3, not -2. Okay, so I'm sorry. So क्या आ जाएगा -2, -3. This will be for q. So I just write it here. Say how much it is, -2, so we got the coordinates for q. Okay, अब क्या बच गया? अब we have to find out for p. Now think in the same manner again, right? If I want coordinates of p, I know the coordinates of a, I know the coordinates of q, right? And if it is trisection, so trisection means what? Let me try to explain here. I'll try to draw another diagram for that case, right? So कैसे हो जाएगा, देखो यहाँ पे देखिए नीचे. Suppose this is a, this is q. Okay, a कितना है 2,7, q कितना है -2, -3. ओके, p हमको पता करना है, p ढूंढना है. ट्राइसेक्शन बोला तो व्हाट डू वी नो? वी नो दैट AP इक्वल टू PQ. ट्राइसेक्शन है, AP इक्वल टू PQ इक्वल टू QB है. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि P तो मिड पॉइंट है. अगर AP इक्वल टू PQ है तो P तो मिड पॉइंट है. इफ P इज मिड पॉइंट देन व्हाट इज M/N? लास्ट टाइम वी स्टडीड 1:1. मतलब ये तो 1:1 हो गया, M/N. अब तो हम निकाल सकते हैं p का वैल्यूज. विच फॉर्मूला आर यू गोइंग टू यूज इफ इट इज द मिड पॉइंट? यस, वी विल यूज द मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला हियर. You can use the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? How do you get x? X1 plus x2 upon 2. And how do you get y? Y1 plus y2 upon 2. So try to use that formula and you will get your p as, you can do the calculation, you have done it earlier, 0,2, right? So you will get your value of p also. Now it will be 0,2. So this is the final answer. The coordinates of points which will divide AB in, sorry, which will divide AB or which will trisect AB, which will not divide AB, which will trisect AB. So trisect AB means AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Okay, so yeah, this is the way you should do it. I hope you got it. Okay, thank you.